Welcome to the Brix at the Packing District, where luxury townhomes blend modern design with Orlando's rich history. Located near downtown Orlando and the charming College Park neighborhood, this exclusive community offers 135 thoughtfully designed townhomes. Featuring urban, transitional, and industrial-inspired architecture, these homes range from 1,449 to 2,059 square feet of stylish living space. Families will appreciate the convenience of having top-rated schools close by. Lake Silver Elementary is less than a mile away, College Park Middle is just a mile and a half down the road, and Edgewater High is only about a mile and a quarter away, making school drop-offs quick and easy. The Brix offers more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Residents can enjoy a park-like space with gathering and seating areas between select buildings. You're also steps away from exciting amenities like the Orlando Tennis Center, the YMCA Family Center, a futuristic regional park with a pond overlook, sports fields, a pavilion, and an entertainment stage. Accessibility is another key highlight. With quick access to major highways like State Road 408 and I-4, the Brix keeps you close to shopping, dining, arts, and recreation in College Park, downtown Orlando, and Winter Park. If you're searching for luxury living, excellent schools, and a vibrant community full of opportunities, the Brix at the Packing District is ready to welcome you. Contact us at Laube Homes today to take the next step toward owning your dream townhome in this dynamic neighborhood.